Luna, speak.
Hi, and welcome back to Luna's Canine Academy. We're back with June. Last week we went over training for here, or giving us her attention. She's kind of following my hand. Here, yes, very good. And come when called while on a leash. When I spoke with her owner, she's been really good with here when asked. Here, yes. But she's been having some more issues with come when called. That's completely okay. It's a behavior that takes time, especially in a dog that's a little bit more reactive and nervous. They don't want to start moving because it may take them in the direction of whatever it is that's causing them the stress. But what we're going to work on a little bit today, while we still continue to work on the come when called and all that fun stuff, is a stand from a sit or a stand from a down. Now, the reason this is some dogs, when they lay down, they don't want to get up. Don't we all? The idea here is to be able to initiate that movement, even if it's not forward movement, to get the dog to stand up and get ready for the next command. Some dogs, like June here, she has an auto sit or an auto down. Whenever she stops movement, she either puts her butt to the ground or she lays completely flat. So we're going to kind of go over that today, and we'll show you how we start by putting in a stand command. Now I'm going to use the command up for standing up, and we'll kind of go over how we're going to take that process. Right now she's giving me good eye contact. Both of my dogs are over here off, kind of barricaded out by our baby gate. So they're off here. They may be a bit of a distraction today, but we'll kind of work through it. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to lure her to her feet, and then we can put in the up command, which is the word that we're going to associate with the action of standing up. So you take the treat, place it in front of her nose, then you slowly pull it back. As you can see, she's hesitant to stand. So if that's the case, we can take a little bit farther of a step back. Come here. Yes, up. Very good. So what we did is we coaxed her. We pulled the treat away from a reach and made her move toward it. As soon as her butt began to lift off the ground, we give her the yes. We mark the marker of what we want. In this case was her standing. June. Here. Yes. Took her a second. She was looking at the treat bag first. Good. All right. Up. See? She doesn't know what up means. June. Up. Yes. Oh, she laid back down. Very good. But you got the yes. She moved her butt. Good. All right. Up. Yes. Good girl. Then immediately treat. We're just going to keep doing this. We're going to repeat this over and over again until she gets comfortable with the word up. Means I need to be on all four of my paws. Sit. Yes. Up. Her ears went up because she heard a command. She doesn't know what it means. Yes, good girl, you walked. Very good. Sit. Yes. She's getting really good with the sit. I like it. Okay, and up. Yes, up. Slowly but surely, she'll know that up means stand up. We're going to get her back in a sit. Sit. Yes. Very good. Up. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. I'm going to give her a couple treats at once. She did it on the command. No luring, nothing. Very good. That was so good. Yes, it was. Oh, good girl. All right, let's try again. Ready? Up. She drooled. Up. She's confused. June. Up. Almost. Up. Yes. Very good. Sit. Yes. Take a step back. Up. Yes. Good. Come. Yes. So while I've got her in training mode, while she's listening for my voice, I'm going to test her other skills just to confirm that they're still in there. Here. Yes, good. Sit. I'll wait till she's done chewing. Oh, yes, good girl. That's a down, but that's fine. We'll go with it. All right, now we're going to try it from a down. I don't know how this is going to go. Ready? Okay, and up. Yes, good girl. Very good. So good. Just takes a few minutes to get their brain into training mode. They'll start to learn. They'll start to pick up everything that you're trying to give them. You got to be patient. You got to be consistent. You got to be ready and willing to accept the mistakes and failures. Up. She's thinking about it. June. Good. Up. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. And sit. Yes. I'm going to treat that one because she was thinking about laying down. I didn't want her to lay down, so I interrupted it with a treat. Kind of feel their body language after a while, know what they're about to do. Look at how attentive she is. She's waiting for the command. She's not so much looking at my hands as much as my face now. And it's really good in the light. All right. June. Up. Up. Come on. Yes, that's right. You know what? You're starting to learn what the command is. You know what I want. Very good. All right. One of the big issues that may be limiting this, and I should have started off a little differently, but it's me standing over her. Over the last training session, we had built a little bit of a rapport, a little bit of trust. Most dogs, when you start your training sessions, you want to start down here at their level, okay? I'm not so big and scary when I'm the size that she is, when I'm down here on the ground. She might be a little bit more playful. She might be a little bit more engaging. She might be a little bit more willing to listen, okay? So if you're starting out with your puppy and your puppy is skittish and has some nervous behaviors, sometimes just getting down to their level and showing them that you're not so scary is the way you're going to want to go. So from here, if you're going to have to do it when seated and you can't kind of back away to bring the lure, you bring it across your body. So we say up. June. Up. Yes. Keeping it in contact with her mouth so she can taste it, and she wants it, she'll follow it through. Very good. Oh, good kisses. Very good. Sit. Very good. Okay, we're going to say up. Yes. Yes, very good. Very good. That's right. So good. All right. Since she auto sits, that'll be for a later training session, but you want to take that out of the dog. There's several reasons why you don't want him to auto sit. If you're in an area where there's lots of glass or whatever the case may be, you don't want them sitting in there and hurting themselves, and all those fun things. And sometimes you don't want your dog sitting down. You just want her to be standing at your side all pretty. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to train the word down. Well, you have to train a behavior before you can stop it, which is a silly and age up. Yes, I'm so sorry. I didn't even catch that. Very good. All right. So to train down, we do it the opposite of up. So instead of going away with the treat, we go down with the treat. So we come down here and we walk her into it. Yes, down. Okay. Very simple motion. You keep their mouth on the treat and you bring it down to the ground so they lower their head and you slowly move your arm backwards. They'll crawl into position. Okay, now we want her to go to a sit, which she did on her own, very good. And now we want an up. Up. Almost there. One more, June. Up. Go this way. Very good. Up. Then we're going to go this way. And we're going to say up. She's licking it, but she can't get it. She's getting frustrated. Playing tug of war. Get it. Up. Yes. Ooh, very good. Very good. Now that she's up, we're going to put her back in a sit. Very good. And down. Yes. And that time all I had to do was put the treat to the ground and she followed through. Okay. Very good, June. Very good. Yes. All right, we're going to go to a sit. So for a sit, you can kind of lure her back. Yes, sit. Very good. Yes, sit. Then we're going to say up. Yes, that's my good girl. Very good. And then we'll say down. Down. She's already in a stand and her head can reach the ground. So we go sit. Good. Down. Oh, now you want to do ups? You silly goose. Yes. Down. Very good. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. That's so good. You did so good. Very good. Very good. So I'm going to leave her here. I'm going to take a step back there and see if I can't do come when called. Now that she's really into what's going on, I'm going to see if I can't get her to react to a different command. Come. Maybe that was a little ambitious. No, it wasn't very good. Yes. Very good. I'm going to give her a mini jackpot. She took a second. She listened to the command. She figured out what it was, and then she came over. It was very good. It was slow, but that's okay. We're starting with baby steps here. All right. June, here. Yes. Very good. You got to remember, sometimes it takes 3 to 5 seconds for them to process the command and then execute that command. So it's not always she's not listening or he's not listening. Sometimes it's, what did they say? Okay, that's what it is. And then they'll follow through. And I really did like that. So give me an up. Up. Yes. Yes. I took the treat out of one hand. That way she's not just tasting the treat the whole time. Sit. Sit. June here. Yes. Good. Here and sit apparently combined. And here's the treat. Nothing in my hand. Here. Ooh, yes, I gave the wrong command. I'm so sorry. Let's try that again. I have nothing in my hand. June, up. Yes, good girl. Good. So now she understands the command up means to get on her feet. Will she always listen to it? No. And that's okay. Baby steps. And then she's going to go to a down, and that's fine. Then we say sit. We'll have to use the treat probably. Come on. Maybe we can get her an up. June, up. Yes. Very good. Very good. Then we sit. Yes. Come. Yes. Very good. Sit. Here. Yes. Sit and here apparently are the same things. Very good. Up. Here. Yes. Ooh, that was a snappy one. I like that. Good. Leave it alone. Up. Up. Yes. Now my hand has become the lure. That's very good. You are very, very good. All right, so we've taken her from not knowing what the word up is to a simple lure and command. It will take time to continue with this to get her off of the lure, it looks like. She has gotten much better with knowing that the treat's over here and following this hand. June, up. Oh, she's getting tired. Okay. She has gotten much better with June here. Hey, here. Yes. She's gotten much better with following the hand and not just the treat. So we're going to get her attention. June, here. Yes. Come. Very good. Now, as you can see, I don't have the leash. She immediately started to get up when I gave the come command, so it wasn't just that she's following my movement or the treats. Very good. And we're going to try down one more time. Ooh, there you go. Down. Yes. Very good. So next week, we'll continue working on her down. We'll confirm that she still has her up. We'll work on her down, and we'll kind of have to handle that auto sit. I want the commands here, sit, up, down, all to be separate commands. There's many reasons for why you would want to do that. The majority of that is just having command and control over any situation you may encounter with your puppy. Sometimes your dog shouldn't be sitting when approached by another dog. Sometimes you want them to look at you but not necessarily sit down, especially if they like to chase rabbits, they like to chase squirrels, they like to chase birds. If you're coming up on a pack of birds and you can say here and they give you their attention, then you can walk past them while you have your dog's attention. That would help subvert the reaction altogether. All right, she's a little active. Let's see if I can reel her in. June, here. Yes. All right, we're going to try to do the last series of commands, and then we'll reward with a jackpot, as long as we can get the majority of those commands to land, okay? So I'm going to act like I got a treat, and we're going to say up. Yes. Good. Here. Ah. That's just a noise I make that says I didn't want that command to happen. Okay, we're going to up. Yes. Then we're going to come. Yes. We're going to sit. Yes. Here. Very good. June, down. Let's try it one more time. Sit. Good. And down. June, down. She knows there's nothing there. June. June. Come on, last one. Down. Come on, down. Yeah, this one's not as strong. Good girl. Ooh, drooly pants. Good. Down, there it is. Very good. All right, we had to lure her with the last down. And that's okay. She did several in a row with her up, her here, her come when called. The down, we only got to practice it a couple times. So for her to get it in that last little bit is, unrealistic. So she got her little jackpot. And I think that's going to do it for training today. We went over putting in an up command, why you'd put in an up command, and how it applies to the rest of her training. Thank you so much for watching today. And I had a great time hanging out with June and getting to train this wonderful puppy. And we'll get back to you in the next episode. We're going to reinforce that down next time, and we're going to see about working on that auto sit. From there, we'll do a little bit more come when called, try to solidify the rest of her trainings, and ensure that each command is being worked on and utilized throughout the week that we're not with her. But other than that, I wish you guys a great rest of your week. Bye.